Hi everyone, thank you for joining me in this episode of CBD 101. There are all kinds of quotes about fear, fearing the unknown, and how overcoming fear can lead to possibilities beyond our imagination. When it comes to CBD and all the misconceptions surrounding it, we think author Teal Swan nails it when she says, "We do not fear the unknown, we fear what we think we know about the unknown." As the CBD industry continues to take off and CBD products become more mainstream, the misconceptions about CBD seem to multiply. Committed to educating our consumers and elevating the industry, Nature's Ultra is ready to address the 5 most common misconceptions surrounding CBD. Number 1, hemp is marijuana. It's easy to see where this misconception comes from, but no, hemp is not marijuana. Here's the deal and what you need to know about CBD and hemp versus marijuana. Hemp and marijuana are often confused with each other because from a taxonomy standpoint, they're the same plant, the cannabis plant. They often look and smell the same, so it's easy to get confused. The biggest difference between hemp and marijuana is their composition. Both hemp and marijuana contain many different cannabinoids, including CBD, cannabidiol. But the primary distinction between hemp and marijuana is the amount of THC, tetrahydrocannabidiol, they contain. Which brings us to a second common misconception. Number 2, Nature's Ultra CBD will get you high. No, it will not. And this is because CBD is a non-intoxicating cannabinoid. THC is the compound associated with feelings of intoxication. CBD is not the same thing as THC. Moreover, CBD products from Nature's Ultra use a CBD isolate and are labeled to contain 0.0% THC. We third-party test every batch for quality assurance confirmation, including testing out significantly further than 0.0% out of an abundance of caution, and no THC has been detected in any Nature's Ultra product in these tests. Number 3, CBD is illegal without a prescription. Thanks to the 2018 Farm Bill, CBD products containing less than 0.3% THC are legal at the federal level. Certainly, at 0.0% THC, Nature's Ultra CBD products satisfy this legal stipulation. Regardless, you do still need to be mindful of your state's laws regarding the purchase and use of CBD products, like CBD hemp oil. As a consumer, you need to protect yourself by ensuring that you're buying CBD from a reputable, quality-assured distributor. We've reiterated this in several of our recent videos, but it's an important message that bears repeating. The increased interest in CBD has resulted in greater acceptance, which is helping to carve out its place in mainstream markets. The trouble here is that viewed incorrectly, the popularity of CBD is seen as a trend, or worse, a trend off which to make a quick buck. In other words, there are those out there who will tarnish the CBD industry by releasing questionable or fraudulent products into the market. Fraudulent how? It really depends on where the CBD comes from, but in some cases, the products may contain little to no CBD, or the products may contain anywhere from 5 to 20% or more THC, making them illegal in most states and also illegal on a federal level. Given our quick examination of the CBD industry and its perils when it comes to quality products, you already have a basis for understanding our 4th common misconception. Number 4, all hemp oil products are the same. Clearly not. Until bad CBD products and unscrupulous CBD companies are pushed out of the industry, consumers will need to do their due diligence when it comes to shopping for quality products like hemp oil and CBD oil. There is a whole host of hemp oil products available on the market, each with different benefits and properties, but none that offer the same benefits of CBD. Commonly confused with CBD oil are alternatives like copaiba oil, hemp seed oil, and cannabis oil. We asked Dr. Tyler Call to parse out the difference between the products and explain why Nature's Ultra CBD is truly a cut above the competition. He states, "We don't want to leave you with the impression that there are no good oils besides Nature's Ultra CBD. There are oils available that offer a wide variety of benefits. But if you're looking for the highest quality CBD oil that contains 0.0% THC and is completely transparent about where it's from and what it contains, look no further than Nature's Ultra CBD. Exclusive to our brand, Smart Spectrum CBD features pure and potent CBD, which we have enhanced with industry-leading Young Living essential oils. Starting with our CBD isolate, we add Young Living essential oils, both of which are backed by the coveted Seed to Seal standard, representative of exceptional quality control and assurance. From our Calm Roll-On to our CBD Muscle Rub and 3 CBD oils in cinnamon, cool mint, and citrus, we're confident that we've created the optimal CBD product line with this Smart Spectrum collaboration. Number 5, using more CBD works better than less. The argument that high doses of CBD work better than low doses is problematic because everyone is different. How you react to a particular amount of CBD might prove too much or not enough for someone else. Discovering the optimal strength for you is ultimately a personal journey and determination. Regardless, we recommend that everyone starts on the lower side of the spectrum, working their way up while observing how their body reacts to specific dosages. Don't leave yourself in the dark when it comes to understanding and using CBD. We are passionate about our products and committed to providing consistent consumer education in order to elevate the industry and establish ourselves as the most trusted vendor within it. Thank you for joining me in this episode of CBD 101. Please like and subscribe below, and please continue to send in your questions.